Accountancy 1. Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about what is personal account, what is the role of personal account, what is the real account, what is the principles of the real account, what is an account, how to classification of accounts, how many types of accounts. So today topic is discussed what is nominal account and what is the rule of nominal account. What is nominal account? What is the rule of nominal account? So yesterday వెళ్ళినట్లయితే personal account. Which accounts are related to persons or concerns? Which accounts are relating to persons or concerns is known as personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Rule ఏంటిది? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Then real account. What is real account? Which accounts are relating to an assets? Which accounts are relating to an assets known as real account. Then assets can be classified into two types. They are tangible assets, intangible assets. Tangible assets, intangible assets. Tangible assets. Which assets can touch and see. Which assets are touch and see is known as tangible assets like cash, buildings, machinery, furniture, etc. Cash, money, visible. Buildings, visible. Furniture, visible. Machinery, visible. These are the tangible assets. Intangible assets. Which assets can't touch and seen, known as the intangible assets like goodwill, copyrights, payments, trademarks, etc. Goodwill is a intangible asset. It is the name and fame of a company. Is known as goodwill. It is not visible. So, అందుకే it is an intangible asset. So, what is the role of real account? Debit. What comes in debit? What goes out credit? What comes in debit? What goes out credit? What comes in debit? What goes out credit? Then now nominal account. Which accounts are relating to expenses, losses, incomes and gains known as nominal account. Which accounts are relating to expenses, losses, incomes and gains are known as nominal account. But what is the role of nominal account? All expenses, losses are debit. All expenses, losses are debit. All income gains are credit. All expenses, losses are debit. All incomes gains are credit. All expenses, losses are debit. All income gains are credit. So, example, salaries paid. It is an expenses. Expenses related to nominal account. What is the rule? All expenses, losses are debit. All income gains are credit. So salaries, expenses always debit. DR. How to pay? Etla payment chestam? In the form of cash. So cash is credit. Then rent also expenses always debit. No doubt about it. Rent anedi expenses always debit in the form of cash is credit. Then commission received it means income. Commission received, incomes always credited. Why? Because of nominal account rule. All expenses losses are debit, all income gains are credit. So all incomes credit కాబట్టి so commission received అనేది credit. How to receive? ఎట్లా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుందాం? In the form of cash. Cash is debit. Then goods purchased from Kavita. It is also business transaction. It is also business transaction. So purchase goods from Kavita. There is two aspects. One is purchases and one is Kavita. Another one is Kavita. So purchases and expenses always debit. Kavita ante person related to personal account. So Kavita receive giver always credit. So purchase and debit, Kavita credit. So itla ఇప్పుడు find out చేసుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. So ప్రతి ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ లో టూ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎవ్రీ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ టూ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ డెబిట్, విచ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఈస్ డెబిట్, విచ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఈస్ క్రెడిట్, హౌ టు డెబిట్, హౌ టు క్రెడిట్, ఆన్ ద బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ రూల్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్, పర్సనల్ అకౌంట్, నామినల్ అకౌంట్, రియల్ అకౌంట్ అనేది ఏ అకౌంట్ అనేది ఏ విధంగా మనం డెబిట్ చేస్తున్నావు, ఏ విధంగా క్రెడిట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నావు, వాటికి సంబంధించిన డెబిట్ ఏముంది, క్రెడిట్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంది. సో దాన్ని మనం ఆ రకంగా చేసుకోవడాన్ని ఈ విధంగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. సరిపోతే 7 minutes అయింది. So these are the three types of accounts. Rule of three accounts. So malokasari na division 2 marks question build chestadi. Chala important question. That is the very important question. What is an account? Account is a summary of relevant business transactions. Account is a summary of relevant business transactions at one place, relating to a person, asset, expense and revenue in the heading. So accounts generally classified into three types: personal account, real account, nominal account. Personal account, real account, nominal account. So personal account principle: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account: what comes in debit, what goes out credit. What comes in debit, what goes out credit. Next, nominal account: all expenses, losses are debit. All incomes and gains are credit. Malakasari. Personal account: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account: what comes in debit, what goes out credit. Nominal account: all expenses, losses are debit, all income gains are credit. So these three principles must and should. These are fundamentals. ఇవి వస్తేనే మీకు అకౌంట్స్ వస్తే లేకపోతే కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివిజన్ చేయండి. డెబిట్ ద రిసీవర్, క్రెడిట్ ద గివర్. రియల్ అకౌంట్: వాట్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ డెబిట్, వాట్ గోస్ అవుట్ క్రెడిట్. ఆల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, లాసెస్ ఆర్ డెబిట్, ఆల్ ఇన్కమ్ గెయిన్స్ ఆర్ క్రెడిట్. ఓకే రైట్.